Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking on Twitter GoPro X CHK daily weekly time frame. So look at this 200-day. Twitter rejecting yet again. Have to close over that level or we're not going anywhere. Tightening range between the middle Bollinger Band support and the 200-day resistance. And we will see which direction we break in sometime in the near-term future. And we'll either see a close below the middle Bollinger Band, which will have us looking down to the recent lows around $16. Or we're looking for a bull close, and we'll be looking up at the last two moving average resistances, both in the mid-$17 range. Weekly time frame, weak bounce attempt at this point. As long as exponential resistances are resistance, then the bears have control. This is a weak bounce, and it's all down to the daily time frame. It's very simple. Close over the 200-day, and the bulls have some momentum, and reject from it, and they don't. GoPro on the daily time frame, holding the 200-day moving average support yet again, but still very clearly weak, and we don't have much to be going off of in terms of support. It's 867, and then we're looking down at the gap fill of 838. We do have a lot of moving averages in play here, and we're certainly respecting those, at least the 200-day, the last couple days. But other than those moving averages, in terms of price action, have to hold 867, or that gap fill will be the target. So if we can't get back over these exponential resistances and head back up to the 945 double top, the bears are likely to take another break, make another break, and then we'll be looking at the weekly middle Bollinger Band back at 853, which is bulls really want to hold that level because of how many times we rejected from it. Previous resistance, want that to act as some strong support. X is seeing an inside bar. There was a really nice trade first thing this morning, and it's what I call a top fishing play where you see the resistance, 28.35. And as we approached it, it was all bulls first thing, and the 5-minute RSI was up in the upper 80s. So the odds that we can break the high of yesterday with the RSI that high in the short term is not likely. And even if we do, you get stopped out, and it's a very small loss. So when we were above $28, we were looking at that top fishing play, and we ended up pulling back over $1 from that level throughout the day. So it is an inside bar. If we break 27.20, we're looking down at 26.66. And if we see a bull break of 28.19, then we're looking up at 28.35 after that. So anticipating some consolidation more likely than not, just because of where we are coming from and the amount of strength that we have seen without consolidation. Weekly time frame, bulls want to close over the 50-week moving average of 27.43 and the upper Bollinger Band to have a really successful week and turn those levels from resistance into support. And so far, so good. Don't really have to see much else besides holding here or seeing a little bit of green. We'll see which direction this inside bar breaks tomorrow. CHK on the daily time frame, inside bar as well. We're seeing them all over the place. Resistance is 382 and then 383. Support is 371 and 368. Middle Bollinger Band resistance is going to be in play as the bulls try and see a TCG cross, a bullish TCG cross of these exponential moving averages. And the energy sector has been really strong lately. We have a double inventory report day tomorrow due to the holiday with oil and natural gas. So that will certainly be an effect on what we see, an impact on CHK. Weekly time frame, still weak, not confirming the bullish reversal candlestick. Really need to see that daily middle Bollinger Band as support in order for this weekly chart to begin shaping up. So we'll check back in tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.